Hello guys, and welcome to my new video. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to run Python in Windows. So, let's say we have a Python file right here. My Python file is in the music folder. Yours can be whenever, but I'm using it in the music folder because I have a little trick to show you. So, when you double click on project, you are going to get mostly blank screen, like just a quick CMD pop-up. But in my case, because I have Visual Studio Code, it's not gonna do that. But in your case, if you don't have Visual Studio Code installed or any other Python related program, what it's gonna do is it's just gonna have a black screen and then go out. Fast and easy. So, how do we fix this? Well, usually you would need to like install new programs, or I don't know, people complicate that, but it's actually very easy. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna check if the Python is installed. We are going to go to command prompt and we are going to type Python line version and click enter. So as you can see, we have Python installed and it's Python version 3.10.1. In your case, if you don't have Python installed, it's gonna say like in red letters, it's gonna say like Python not exist, like Python not existing or something like that, which means the Python is not correctly installed or not installed at all. So we are going to close that, and now I'm gonna show you a little trick. So you're gonna click here, left click, and just type cmd. As you can see, what we're gonna do actually is we are going to run this Python file in our cmd. So what we did here is we did a little trick so we can get the file location down. So user AA music. So this is the location of the file, or we got the music folder. But the location of the file, we are going to type that now. So we are going to type Python and the name of the project is like project.py. So the py part is very important because that's the extension for the Python programs. So we are going to click enter, and as you can see, it worked. It printed hello world. So that's my code in the Python file. Thank you for today's video. Thank you for watching today's video. Thank you for trying with me Python and learning. Bye.